Hello guys, this is Ahmed Al-Azaiza from Forex Trading Signal. Welcome to another educational video today. Today we're gonna go to speak about the candlestick formation and the resistance and support formations. In this video we're gonna go to explain about the type of the charts. We'll detail the candlestick formation and we'll understand how to identify resistance and supports on the chart. Bear with me, we'll start in a moment. First of all, we have the type of the charts. The first type we have the line type chart. It's simple chart where the bottom of the triangulars identifies the supports and the top of the triangulars identifies resistance. So this is support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. We will detail these in better way for the support and the resistance in the candlestick chart. But one of the chart being used in the Forex markets, the line chart, and it is a very simple chart. So let's move. So this is the line chart. Another type of chart is the bar chart. Okay, so this is almost similar to the candlestick chart, but we will not explain this in details, just to identify it. The third type of chart, which is the most common used chart and the best chart to be used in the Forex market, is the candlestick chart. So in this chart, the heads of the candlestick represent the resistance, the bottom of the candlestick represents the support. So before going to this chart in details in the next video and how to analyze the chart and how to analyze the patterns, we will go and detail the candlesticks in this video. So candlestick formation. When you look to the candlestick, what does the candlestick mean to us? If you see the candlestick on the bearish area, that means this is the seller. Bearish means sellers. Bullish means buyers. They pull the price up. The sellers tear the price down. Bearish candlestick if it's selling pressure. Bullish candlestick if it's buying pressure. I know this stuff is basic, but to finish our series of educational for our strategy, we need to start from scratch for the people which they don't know these basics. So bear with me, please. In the bearish side, you can see the candlestick having two areas which is forming the body of the candle. The body of the candle, the top area of the body of the candle of the bearish candle called the open area, and the bottom of the body, this wide range body, the bottom where the candle is closed, it's called the closed price area. The long tail on the top, it says the highest price has been reached on that candle, and the bottom tail is the lowest price has been reached on this candle before closing. Same thing on the bullish, the buyer bullish candle. The white body here, the wide range body, it's representing from the bottom the open area, from the top is the close area, because bullish, when you buy, your direction is up, so the open will be on the bottom, the close will be on the top. If it is bearish, your direction will be down, so the open will be from the top and the close will be from the bottom. So if it's bearish, it's opening on the top and closing on the bottom. If this candle has closed here, then it is bullish, not bullish, bearish. As well as if this candle in the bullish side, if it's closed down, then it is bearish one. So I hope you have understand this. Guys, most of the people or most of the traders on explain the candlestick, they have 1,000 candlestick buttons, which is not needed. Morning star, shooting star, top and tail, bottom and tail, doji bar, evening star, whatever, okay? You don't need to worry about this. You need to know 4 types of candle formation only. That is important. That is the basic 4 types of candle formation, and you need to know also where this formation happening. So let's explain the 4 types of formation. If you look in the top here, it is the bearish candle. So look at this bottom and tail bar. The price has opened here and it's closed down. Okay, Look at the second one. The price, it's open here and it's closed down. This is bearish as well. Look at the third one. The price open here, it's closed down. Look at this one. The price has opened here, it is closed down. But if I ask you one question, what is the difference between this candle and this candle? Okay, it's a tricky question. If you come to this candle, there was a moment where this candle has reached the full bottom here. What do you mean? I mean to say that there was a moment where this candle was look like this candle because it went all the way down and it was full red like this. Okay, but something happened, has pushed the price up. What does it mean? Okay, now I understand what you are trying to say. You are trying to say that you don't look to the candle shape, you look what has made the candle to be formed like this. Okay, when I asked the previous question, I was saying that this candle has went down, then something pulled it up. Still bearish candle, but you think about it. I want you to bear with me and think about it. At the moment, there was a selling, very high selling pressure. This candle was look like this. Then suddenly, what happened? Somebody has came and he has pulled the price back. So there was selling pressure, then again pulling pressure. What does it mean? It means that there was a confusing decision between buyer and seller, and that is what I want to know. Now, this is also not enough to know. I need to know where this has happened. Is it after 3 candlestick bearish? Is it after 2 bearish candle? Is it after very extended 5 or 6 bearish candle? Then I can decide what to do and how to open the trade. So first of all, the 4 shapes of the candle we need to know and where these shapes are happening on the chart. That is the most important. So this is the bearish one. So if you come here, it's a bottom and tail, we call it. If you come here, it's pin bar. Sometimes if it is smaller, they call it doji bar, but I don't want you to think like this. I want you just remember that the candle has opened in an area, went up and down, okay, in the same equal tails and a close on the middle. That means it's a bearish. We can call these like a pin bars, but the pin bars is different. We will talk about this later on the next videos. Okay, now I want you to understand the 4 shapes. So bottom and tail, pin bar or doji bar, and top and tail, and bearish engulfing. So those 4 bars, you understand them properly, understand the shapes, because we're gonna go to use them later. So that's what I want you to know. I want you to know these 2 ways, like direction to direction, bearish, bullish, and I want you to know also the 4 type, bottom and tail, pin or doji bar, top and tail, bearish engulfing. So the colors, it doesn't matter because colors are optional. You can change it on the chart. If you want bearish to be green, you can put it green. If you want it white, black, whatever. Same thing for the bullish. So that's the 4 type of candle. This video is part 1. We will stop it here, then we'll go to the next part 2 in the next video. In the next video, we'll explain about remaining candlestick chart, and we'll explain about how to identify the resistance and supports on the chart. So see you in part 2.